See it, yeah? Oh, wow.
Oh, yes. You can't iron.
Welcome guys to another Del Pratt family vlog, and today we are in Trelawney. In fact, we're at the border of Trelawney and St. Elizabeth in the Cockpit country. Alright, we're at a place called Quick Step.
Yep.
And we're here with a lady with dirty like boss. And she does there
she work hard, yes.
She work like she going 24 hours worth of work, you know. We don't know where to get the energy from, but she will tell you. I don't know if I the red dirt
guys,
it, but
yes, it's like she plug in.
Yeah.
Well,
you sleep last night?
You have to do it.
Yeah.
She not sleep last night, you know.
You have to do it.
Yeah.
Alright, so
why we're here? Why are we here?
Why are we here?
Because my mother passed away, and we're here from yesterday basically for the funeral today. The 17th of October. Yes. This is my mom's picture. And this is our home where we all grow up in that
House, yeah.
house there, as you can see.
This house is not the house that they grew up in. I wish I had like a picture of the house.
Yes, it was much smaller.
It was a lot smaller.
It was a smaller house.
It was renovated.
So what happened? They renovated and put it here because they don't want to lose the
history, yeah.
The history, the family history.
Yeah.
So my brothers, they are keeping it.
Nice.
Yeah. They are keeping it.
Talk to me about the community. What you used to do when you used to live here and so.
Well, when my father was alive,
yes,
he cultivated yams.
Yeah.
Yellow yam, sweet yam, renter and stuff like that. And he reared animals. And they plant vegetables. What my father don't have, he would get it from his neighbor.
Okay.
And what the neighbor don't have, he would get it from dad.
Yeah.
So, you know, they work together and
make it.
Cultivate and make it. So the most thing that they needed money for was to buy like
cooking oil,
sugar, flour,
yeah.
Things like that, because they plant vegetable.
Yes.
Them raise chicken, them raise goat, pig and cow.
Yeah.
So,
I'm still not going to own getting on own water. Them time we don't never have the need for electricity.
No, we never have any electricity and all of that. But now the place is really upgrading.
Yes.
It's upgrading, so we have electricity. We have water in pipes.
Yeah.
Which is so great. That's so great. Yes.
So now water running a pipe now.
Yes.
Even though it's a catchment and it run down, but improvement.
Improvement. There's a lot of improvement.
And it's just more self-sustainable because when we depend on NWC, we have pay this exorbitant amount of money a month time.
Every month.
Right?
Yes.
You know you don't have to worry about that.
About paying NWC.
That is true.
Guys, as I say, we are here in Trelawney on the border of St. Elizabeth. Right? In order for us to access this place, we have to come from the south coast through Clarendon, Manchester, and come on up. Right? This is like literally the deepest part of Jamaica you can get because it is so central, right? Though it's in Trelawney, it's virtually impossible to access from the north side because of the Cockpit country. The Cockpit country is actually just behind me, just the Maroon lands just behind me back there, guys. So we're on sacred ground, you know. So yeah, Trelawney, Quick Step. You know, very fun being out here, guys. Very fun being out here. We see a lot of people. You know, a different way of life, guys. A very nice, very sustainable way of life. You know, it's a joy to come here to see all of these guys. You know, it's a joy. Trust me.
Yeah.
Same way. I mean. So, hold on. Breakfast you just don't eat?
Yeah.
This is Blossom's sister.
Yes, Winsome.
Your younger, Blossom's younger sister. Definitely. Look how she look on her like she in yeah, troops, Lord God. Oh. How many years you don't see her?
About 3.
Oh, 3 years. Guys, you don't come back all the time. Okay, yes. Okay. Alright, so you grew up here too?
Of course I have.
What's your memory like here?
Great, nice childhood, always running. I remember looking at the command down there.
Yeah.
Whenever I did anything wrong, I would always bolt down the hill from Mama, and she would chase after me. And trust me, you ain't no great runner when you're dealing with her. And if you should take a corner, she's simply gonna say something at you.
Round
and
the corner.
Me, it come around the corner and it gets in you. You're not
and if she don't catch you, she's so calm. She's so calm. And she wait until in the evening, and before she don't catch you, she carry the food in the house. So you must have to come in the house. Yes.
All feed the yard.
No hard to catch.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Tell her she was a great woman.
Yeah.
A woman of discipline.
See Miss Gwendolyn here we are talking about that.
A woman of God.
See her there.
Yeah.
A warrior.
A woman of God, a warrior.
A deliverer.
A
mother of many nations. She has delivered many babies along here. She has been a midwife all days of her life.
Oh, she was a nurse?
A midwife.
A midwife.
Yes,
okay,
actually.
nice.
A midwife.
And if you just look around and talk to people in a few minutes, they will tell you, oh, Miss Gwendolyn delivered me. Miss Gwendolyn delivered my daughter's baby. And she delivered herself. Because I was born at home, and at least my other 2 brothers were born at home. And she's just like that. She's known to all her grandchildren, great-grandchildren who would have known her before she would have exited this world, and there's always something about her that they can remember, either about the bummy or about teaching them to have manners, disciplining them, know that granny's around, or mama, and there's just no joke.
Yeah.
You know, when it comes down to principles.
She's quite a personality, and I can tell you that much. Like, they grew with her, so they have more experience.
Quite a character.
But I tell you, for the little time that I spent with her, in my childhood, may I tell you the truth, she's quite a character.
Yeah.
She and my granddad, they are just people who you genuinely grow to love.
Yeah, man.
And I'm just really happy to say, although she's gone and she's not here, yeah, I wish that I was able to be with her, you know, interact more in the last, but I am so happy that I actually got the interaction, got the experience that I got, and I think so many people are so much positive. It's like, it's just a celebration today.
Yes, it is.
Of the experience that we had having this person.
Yeah.
So you deal the jerk pork. So where you reach now with it? Oh yeah, boil it. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Yeah. So the pork soon go up on the grill. Okay. Nice. Yeah.
Nice blending season. Onion, garlic, scallion.
So I use that base it on the grill.
Yeah, man. When me brown it now, me just take them up and dip them and put them back on the grill, you know.
Alright.
Give back the nice flavor you have to get.
Great. Great.
Yeah, man. Me use this.
Yeah, me realize more one person I use this both from the coconut, guys.
Yeah, man. We use it for
stir pot and thing.
You have that long spoon to reach so far.
Yeah. Turn on make fashion, you know.
Yeah, man.
And this is Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Authentic Jamaica, man. Guys, there with the jerk, man. You know, I'm dealing with the jerk pork. You see me? So I'm all about ready now to put the pork on the grill. You know? Then boil it up already and things. So I'm having him cool, all set. You know, I'm spread them out now. You know? Yeah, the fire perfect. You know?
See it?
Yeah, man, perfect.
See it?
Yep. Nice.
Ready, you know?
Yeah, man.
I just brown brown up and I want fix up the grill off hot first.
Yes.
So when the grill hot,
Yeah.
start put on the pork.
This is the first set this I put on now. Nice. Nice. So how long this ever stay on jerk now?
About 15 minutes or 20 minutes.
Oh, not long?
Also, it's a you cook it.
Yeah.
Cook it already.
Yes.
It's easier, just color you put on it and your sauce.
Yes.
And the smoke will help to make it taste like a jerk.
Jerk, yes. And also when you go to some jerk center and them kind of place there, you get the, when them do it from raw, from right up.
You get like them use the pimenta stick and
yes.
you get a different flavor style.
Yes.
But we use the pimenta seed and then bush.
In the pot, in the boiling. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, the fire, like the fire now where they burn the pork,
yeah.
Burn off all the pepper and stuff like. So when it's done, finish like you finish up now, you can just dip it back in the season, called blending season. Onion, scallion, thyme, and we put ketchup and pepper.
A nice base for the pork.
Yeah man. So this you can use this as sauce, you know.
Yes.
Cause it cook already, you know. Boil it.
Yes.
So you can use as sauce and anything where you use it.
Yeah. Yeah man.
Like this now, how we used to do things like this. But I have a nice paintbrush like new one.
Yeah.
So I use it to take up the base. But now
a bush with it.
A bush with it. So we just have to do it timely.
Yes.
We do it on. This then and just, you know?
Yeah.
You say sauce pretty?
Beautiful.
Alright. So this come like it's the next season you get it now. So you put this on the pork.
Yeah.
When you taste it, I'm gonna make you taste it right now too. Me too. So
nice.
yeah man.
Alright. In general I give me a taste of the pork.
Yeah man.
You see it? Yeah man. Yeah, so I get it first and see it here? Oh wow. Spicy, you know?
We have video the cookie.
Proper man.
Like it, I love these too.
Proper. Yeah man, it's perfect man. Trust.
I look sweet and raw as it was.
If we not get none for the rest of the day, I'm okay.
Yeah. How is that?
Not too much.
Pork
bag.
So you guys just like attach the water pump to this thing and then put it down in it and just suck it up.
What do you call this one?
Suction pump.
Suction pump.
Okay.
Yeah, so well, because of the demand for water now, there are a lot of persons here today. So you normally have what, like catchment from the roof run. You normally catch the water away there. Yeah. But due to the amount of persons that you're using bathroom and everything, the amount of water demand, so they must forget the backup.
Yeah, backup.
Which is them get some drum. So when you get the drum now water from?
From a big parish tank.
Parish tank?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can always go and get water.
Yeah.
Okay.
Said we draw the water from the parish tank.
Oh.
The set pump.
Yes.
Suck it.
Yeah.
Pull the drum them. Come down.
Yeah.
But when we have we use a Delco plant.
Yeah.
Okay.
And connect it and.
Okay.
Okay, the Delco, oh, because right here you have electricity, but down on the road you wouldn't have. Okay, we just bring it, go up there.
We have a jar water.
Okay, nice.
So we pull that. That whole pipe, for this.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Cool.
Nice.
Yeah, so you always have water.
Always have water. Can't out of water.
And the rain again. Pull the rest and drum them down here.
Yeah. Right, but as we say, normally the rain full up, but because everybody there use water and something. And everybody a shower and all of that. Yeah, all kind of things.
Some of them not gonna be here.
Can cold up here still, you know.
One day not gonna be here.
You're hanging with Daddy? You're hanging with Daddy, Kai?
Yes.
Hey, cutie. Hey, cutie, bye-bye. Well, going, guys, so we are at the border of Trelawney and St. Elizabeth, and say that we are probably more so over into the Trelawney section. So yeah, we're up here, way up in the hill of Quickstep. It's cold, like there's even fog forming. Like before we there, fog drop anytime. Fog will come down right up the sun.
Sorry, your country. Are you liking it? Huh? Are you liking it? Yes. Yeah, you say you have to cloak up.
Like, it is cold, yo.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's cold.
Yeah.
Like, look at this.
Do that again? See that?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You don't get that a lot, you know, in Jamaica if you know really go up in the altitude, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
True.
The last time I go one place where I really get that kind of foggy when I'm in high school. I go one place named Frankfield, you see me? Near Edwin Allen, because they used to play cricket and things, so we'll go up there for a little holiday and we get some height. Yeah, man, place cool, water cool. Yeah.
Yeah, no. The place is cold though. But the air, the air is nice and clean.
Definitely.
The air up in these parts, nice. Nice and clean air.
Yeah.
So my granddad comes from this area, right? And he has a field somewhere to the left. He used to have a field that he would plant his farm and stuff like that. So he was definitely a farmer. Everybody know Master Joe, this farmer. Master Joe. Master Joe.
Yeah, the typical old Jamaican farmer name, you know?
Yeah. Master Joe, man. And the farmer, I have him land over there, so. And the land, you can still see it's pretty fruitful.
Yeah.
You know, green and nice.
True.
Stuff on it. I know they have one shop right here, so.
Oh, like right in that area right here?
Right down by the front.
Okay.
There was a shop down there.
Them places, you know, you don't really have running water, right? And them have NWC connection like most of us. What they may do with them, they get a lot of rainfall, so I mean a lot of them they do water catchment from the roof. So this is a more sophisticated setup for them have right so compared to a lot of persons. Right? So them catch the water from the roof, run it into these tanks right here. Right, so them have plenty of water. Them can't run out of water. When we in Kingston, we get NWC lock off sometime and we stress out. Them people are not stressed out. Them alright, them have water right too. And then you have the water coming from the bottom now and lead back to the house. And the pressure weight that develops from up top here, going down to the house, make them can't get enough water pressure in the house. You know?
Yeah, bigger ice there.
Yeah, check.
Alright, General, so I realize you have a collection of your wood them, you see me? Where you use make up your fire for your pot throughout the night. You see me? So my question to you have anything special where you go for when you pick out them wood there?
Yeah, man, you have to get blazing wood, like you less smoke.
Blazing wood with less smoke.
Yeah.
Okay. And a them this. So what them name?
And a Gala Minta. And Wild Aki and Baker.
Gala Minta, Wild Aki,
And Baker.
Baker. What the Baker for? Which one of them are the Baker?
And the torch. This is my torch.
So that one to keep up the fire throughout the night?
Let that keep blazing.
Make it keep blazing?
Yeah.
Oh. So if you use any other type of wood, them are just make a pure smoke?
Yeah man, and burn out fast.
Okay, I get you. I never know that, you know. Okay, I see it. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Document shit.
Yeah, man. Guys, yeah, some nice fried dumpling here. Sort out in here, so.
Seat here.
Yeah, man.
Big oil curry.
And a nice and golden, eh? Beautiful. Food like crazy. I can't keep up with the amount of food that they place, you know, man. Everywhere me turn, our next, you know? Eat ya, guys. Yeah, man. Proper, man. Soft and nice, you know?
Yep.
Really good. Yep, so guys, you see, right? We're in the bush or so, you know, bringing you through the whole thing. You see me, whole heap of food, whole heap of enjoyment. Alright guys, I will definitely enjoy ourselves, you know guys, and if you did too, just want to know if you hit the like button guys. Remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Alright, the Del Pratt family. Alright guys, and share the video. I'm sure you found this interesting, you reached this far. I'm sure you find it interesting guys, so share the video guys, and as I say, hit the like button. Alright guys, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright guys, peace out, stay safe.